I'm going to show you a letter, and you're going to give me the letter and the sound. And you're going to do it like this. H. Now it's your turn. Very good. Your turn. Good job. Good job. Awesome. You've got it. Good job. Oh, I even see motions. You've got it. Oh, I even see the motions. Very good. Letter, sound. Good job. Oh, you're doing great. Awesome. Good job. Ah, you've got it. Good job. Oh, you're doing the motions even. Wow. Good job. Nice work. There you go. Good job. Nice job. Now I'm going to say some numbers, but I'm going to say them wrong. And you need to tell me what I've done wrong. Okay, here we go. Hun. 1. Good job. Foo. 2. Good job. Z. 3. Good job. Gore. 4. Oh, you're doing great. Tive. 5. Good job. Pix. 6. You've got it. Bevan. 7. Good job. Zate. 8. Good job. Jine. 9. Good job. Zen. 10. Wow, good job. Put your hand on your back. Awesome job. Now we're going to do the beginning sound. Get your beginning sound hand up. Good job. I'm going to say 2 words, then you're going to say the 2 words, and then you're going to say the beginning sound. Okay, my turn. Pale, pear. Your turn. Beginning sound. Good job. My turn. West, will. Your turn. West, will. Beginning sound. W. Good job. My turn. Race, run. Your turn. Race, run. Beginning sound. Good job. My turn. Same size. Your turn. Same size. Beginning sound. S. Good job. Tug, take. Your turn. Tug, take. Beginning sound. T. Good job. My turn. Vine, vase. Your turn. Vine, vase. Good job. My turn. Love, line. Your turn. Love, line. Good job. My turn. Zebra, zoo. Your turn. Zebra, zoo. Good job. My turn. Ball, bat. Your turn. Ball, bat. Good job. Now, teacher says the syllables. Students repeat the 2 syllables or 3 syllables. Blend them together in the whole word. Student counts the numbers of syllables in each word. We're ready? Elbow. Your turn. Elbow. Put it together. Elbow. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Let's do another one. Giggle. Your turn. Giggle. Put it together. Giggle. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Table. Your turn. Table. Put it together. Table. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Hammer. Your turn. Hammer. Hammer. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Plastic. Your turn. Plastic. Put together. Plastic. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Invite. Your turn. Invite. Invite. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Taste. Taste. Put together. Tasty. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Unpin. Your turn. Unpin. Put together. Unpin. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Campus. 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 How many syllables? 2. Good job. Now I'm going to say 2 words, then you're going to say 2 words, and then you're going to say the ending sound. All right, here we go. Moss kiss. Your turn. Moss kiss. The ending sound was S. Good job. All right, let's do another one. Lot gate. Your turn. Lot gate. Ending sound was T. Good job. The last sound you hear. All right, let's do another one. Robe tube. Your turn. Robe tube. B was the ending sound. Very good. Next one. Hug peg. Hug peg. G was at the end. Very good. Next one. 5 give. Your turn. 5 give. V was at the end. Good job. Ted made. Ted made. D was at the end. Good job. Box socks. Your turn. Box socks. X was at the end. Very good. Next 2 words. Is, was. Your turn. Is, was. Z was at the end. Good job. Next one. Large page. Your turn. Large page. J was at the end. Wow, good job. Go. Good job, brain. Wow, you're doing great. Now I'm going to say a word and you're going to figure out, how many syllables does this have? Campus. You say the word. Campus. How many syllables? 2. Good job. I saw your clappers. Next one. Giggle. What's the word? Giggle. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Table. What is the word? Table. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Jungle. What's the word? Jungle. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Hammer. What's the word? Hammer. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Escape. What's the word? Escape. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Plastic. What's the word? Plastic. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Unpin. What's the word? Unpin. How many syllables? 2. Good job. All right, we're going to the next one. If this is the word strongest, I'll do it this way. Strongest, I'm going to take strong away and put cheap here. Now it's cheap. You're right, cheapest. Now if this is cheapest, I'm going to take cheap away. I'm going to put cool. Now it's cool. Coolest. Very good. Now if this is coolest, I'm going to take cool away and put bright. Now it is brightest. Very good. If this is brightest, I'm going to take bright away and put sweet. Now it's sweet. Sweetest. Very good. Like your candy was the sweetest. If this is sweetest, I'm going to take sweet away and I'm going to put strong. Now it is strongest. Very good. Now I'm going to say a word and I'll put an ending at the end of it. Full will be at the end. So if this is pain, this is, so now it is painful. Very good. Now, if this is help and this is full, what is this? Helpful. Very good. Like all my friends in class are, right? Now, if this is use, and this is full, what is this? Useful. Very good. If this is hope and this is full, what is this? Hopeful. Very good. If this is thank and this is full, what is this? Thankful. Very good. Now, I'm going to ask you to put an ing at the end. What am I going to ask for? Ing. Very good. Now, if this is park and this is ing, what is this? Parking. Very good. If this is play and this is ing, what is this? Playing. Very good. If this is read, and this is ing, what is this? Reading. Now, what if I had counting and I put the ing away? What is this? Count. Very good. If this was seeing and I put the ing away, what is this? See. Good job. Why are you doing so good? Put your hand on your back, say, I'm doing so good today. You sure are.